How to submit CP22 in MyTax portal. First, what exactly is CP22? It is the official notification form required by the Inland Revenue Board, LHDN. As an employer, you must submit it within 30 days of hiring any new employee who is or may be subject to income tax. Starting the 1st of September 2024, paper submissions are no longer accepted. CP22 can only be filed online through the CP22 system inside the MyTax portal.
Please note, failing to submit on time carries serious consequences. Penalties include a fine between Rm200 and Rm20,000, up to 6 months of imprisonment, or both. The employer is also held fully liable for any unpaid tax owed.
Now let's go through the steps. First, log into the MyTax portal. Select your ID type, usually MyCAD. Enter your ID number, click Submit, then key in your password to access your account. Once logged in, choose your role as employer from the drop-down menu. This ensures you access the correct services for employment tax matters. Next, from the top menu, open Easy Hassle Services, then select CP22 from the list. This brings you directly to the notification form. The form will first show your employer information. Review all details carefully, and if everything is correct, click Next. Now add your new employee. Select their ID type, enter their full name, IC number, and date of birth. When done, click Add Employee to save their record. You will see a confirmation screen showing the employee is successfully registered. If you need to change anything, just click the Edit icon to update details before proceeding. Continue filling in the employee's full personal information, marital status, gender, contact number, email address, and full residential address. Double-check for accuracy. Next, enter the official start date of employment, the employee's job title, expected length of employment, and type of work, whether permanent, contract, or intern. This section covers all taxable income, basic salary, overtime, leave pay, commission, bonuses, cash allowances, and any taxable benefits in kind provided by the company. If the employee worked for another employer in Malaysia before joining you, fill in their previous employer's name and address. When finished, click Save to confirm. You will now see the status marked as complete. The system will automatically generate a TIN number if the employee does not have one yet. Click Next to move to submission. We are at the final step, the legal declaration. You may print a draft first to review all details. When ready, click Sign and Send to confirm all information is true and correct. A login window will pop up. Enter your MyTax ID and password, then click Sign to verify and officially submit the form to LHDN. And that's it. You will receive an official acknowledgement receipt. Be sure to print both the receipt and the submitted CP22 form, and keep them for your company's records.
Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. This content is provided for compliance training purposes. We will continue to share practical insights on tax and compliance topics in future training content. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.